to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy cilantro lime rice. To get started, I have some long grain basmati rice. This is my favorite rice when I'm making certain rice recipes. Here I have some chopped cilantro, lime juice, garlic, onions. I have some bouillon, seasoned salt, black pepper, and some butter. To a medium-sized pot, I will add my onions and garlic. I did add a pinch of oil there. And we will allow this to go for about, let's say, 2 minutes or so. Next, we'll add our butter, allow that butter to melt. Then we will go in with our washed rice. Make sure you wash the rice thoroughly before adding it. Then we'll add our seasoning to add flavor and taste to the rice. It's a very simple recipe. For this recipe, I don't usually do too much. So yeah, we will allow the rice to toast a bit for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we will go in with our hot water. And like I said, we'll add our hot water here. Hot water just helps to speed up the cooking process, but of course you can use regular tap water if you prefer. We'll give it a good stir, and what I like to do is add 1 drop of green food coloring. Of course, this is completely optional, but it's just my signature way of making the recipe my own. It adds a nice green tint to the rice and it looks absolutely gorgeous. After we give it a good stir, we'll set the lid on and allow it to go for about 20 minutes or so. You want to reduce your heat to low and let it simmer until all the liquid evaporates, and it should be looking like this. Then we'll set the lid back on, remove it from the heat, let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then we'll go in with our lime juice and our cilantro. And that's it, guys. That's how simple it is to make this cilantro lime rice, and it's absolutely delicious. Perfect side for so many entrees. So this rice was actually requested by one of my subscribers, and it so happens that I was craving Chipotle today. My favorite is the steak bowl. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna do the rice and same time I can do the homemade Chipotle as well. And yeah, I can get to share the recipe with you guys. And I did both recipes actually, but I will post the other one tomorrow, so look out for that. Yeah, this is the Chipotle bowl that I served up that rice with, and it was absolutely amazing. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.